Hey everybody, Julie the Whippy Chick, and I'm back with day 16 of Vlogmas. Day 16 is here, and I've got the cutest little crochet project for you, especially if you're really into the granny stitch. Okay, so this is not a free pattern. This is one that is on Etsy, and it's kind of steep. I mean, I think $6.22 is a little steep for this project. It's also listed as Christmas ornaments. However, you could easily string these together to make a garland, and that is what we're talking about this year. It's all about the garlands, okay? So, excuse me. So yeah, the Granny Christmas Tree crochet pattern, it is a PDF that you get on Etsy, and it's basically just these little granny Christmas trees, and they're very country-like and very, you know, farmhouse style. You could make these in whatever colors you'd want. I could see these looking really, really cute in like a dark green with a dark red to give it that kind of country look, and maybe even strung together with some twine. You know, I think that would be really, really cute. Or you could also use like a creamier color with that as well. So just really versatile little decoration here, and I actually really like the colors that they use in the photo as well. They're just really cute. I just like them a lot. I don't really have much more to say about them other than I just really think they're cute. I'd love to see these hanging on someone's mantle. They do look cute though as just single ornaments as well. I think they'd look really cute on a Christmas tree. All right, I hope you're doing well. How are you doing? Are you getting through the Christmas spirit and season, you know, with your mood still high, or are you starting to get kind of antsy and ready for it to be over? I think that's a parent thing, parent of young children thing. Once they get older, it gets better, I promise. Okay, everybody, I'm rambling now. I hope you're having a great day, and I hope to see you tomorrow. And at any time, if you'd like to see more of these ideas, like you liked today's, but you didn't know what yesterday's looked like, go ahead and click the link down below. It's going to take you right to my Pinterest board, and you can check out all of them. All right, guys, have a great day, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.